Welcome back to Dad's Repair Shop, everybody. It's going to kind of give you guys a quick update here. I haven't posted some videos for a couple of weeks. And the reason for that is we have the whole northern Manitoba, basically the top half here. It's all just one big forest fire, or several large ones anyways, and it is absolutely crazy. The air quality index is through the roof, and it's doing a number on Dad and me both. We both kind of had a bit of a chest cough there for about a week, and it's so hard to breathe around here. So I just didn't have any energy really at the end of the day to post any videos. So this is a quick brief explanation. I'm at the shop right now. Dad's out of town. I'm gonna go home and post some videos. But that's the reason. It's an area the size of France that's on fire, and all that smoke you guys are probably getting, even drifting down towards wherever you're at, is because northern Manitoba, northern Saskatchewan, northern Alberta, and northern BC are all on fire and varying degrees, and it's been going on like this for 3 months. So it's just knocked the wind out of us here. So Dad's still doing stuff around the shop, and some of the videos you're going to be seeing here very soon are just the catch-up videos, and Dad finishing off the 1952 blue wide gauge, and then there's a few other jobs after that. And by the time I get to the end of the videos, we might even be caught up by the time you finish watching them. So that's the reason why you haven't seen a video in the last couple of weeks. It's just no energy to sit down and post. Literally, I struggle some days to even just think at the end of the day. So that's the reason. And but thanks for staying tuned. It's been a crazy summer, and we want to let you know that Dad still loves and appreciates all his subscribers and all his fans. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just sign in and subscribe to the channel. All you need is an email. And please comment. Dad loves his comments, and like and share and whatnot. And that's it. So I'm going to put this at the beginning of the video you're about to see here, and we'll go from there. Okay? Thanks. Bye. Well, we're heavy back into firefighting season here again. I think it's the 10th or 11th. It's a Thursday anyways in northern Manitoba, and but that's not stopping Aidan from taping off the 1952 wide gauge. Dad has got too much work on the go around here, and he finally told me yesterday, he says, we got to get this out of the shop. So Aidan is back from doing what he was doing there, and now they're working hard at getting this closed up so that Dad can at least prime it. And then I think they got to be done the sanding by now. But you can see up top there, even got the escape hatch done, and closing off all the doors. Windows were done already, and I know they were still sanding here earlier today. They got the tracks all painted off here, or plasticed off, and they're going to get this done. And they still got to close up this end here, but Ian's got the plastic out to cover the tracks on this end. And they've been at this all day. Really hot and smoky in the north here today. Air quality index is through the roof. Anyways, Dad's giving some last minute instruction here. This is what they're up to, and then Dad had a bunch of work outside here today. Different airboat. I guess there's some extra work coming into the yard. Haven't really progressed on this Muskeg tractor at all, but I know Dad is eager to get at this one. We already got the rad back on it. And so yeah, there's that, and there's this, and Dad is 7 days a week in the shop right now. The air quality index is horrendous, really smoky in the air. Thompson's way worse. We just got an emergency alert on the phone here a couple hours ago. They another state of emergency declared in Manitoba. And I know Snow Lake is being evacuated, Leaf Rapids, I think South Indian Lake is being evacuated, Lynn Lake's been evacuated. Might be another record-breaking evacuation here. Nothing really going on here in the paw except we might be taking in some evacuees. But it's just kind of par for the course right now. Kind of an interesting summer with all these forest fires, but I think there's, I can't remember how many out-of-control forest fires they're dealing with in the province right now. Lots of firefighters coming in from all over. I know that where I work, we were hosting some guys from Quebec, but we have some guys coming in from Mexico as well. They're basically pulling in crews where they can pull the crews in from. But yeah, gonna be really happy to see this one go here. Gonna be about mid-20s for temp here for Dad the next couple of days. So he does his outside work in the morning and then his inside work in the afternoon. And that's the best way of doing it. So there's nothing else to report on here, guys. Right now, this Bombardier Muskeg is being just used for temp storage, which I don't like. And Dad's working on some motors for a friend right there. But this is what's going on, and we'll check back with you guys in the next video. Old fat shop cat is just lounging here in the heat. He doesn't want to do too much. There's our Nina Pinta Santa Maria. She's did 2 shifts there last night, wanted to pass out in the yard.